What's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another one of the Braidless Crochet hairstyles. As you can see, this is an update on my natural hair. I just took some braids out of my hair. Y'all, I am still experiencing heat damage, as you can see. My natural hair right now is a no-go. I've been trying to get it back to the way that it used to be, but I'm not really having a lot of good luck with it. So yeah, this is why I love protective styling so much, because I try to get my natural hair back. The hair that we're going to be using is from Trendy Tresses. It is the Serene Curl. I am just showing you the products popping up on the screen on what I use for this video. The Gots to Be Glue Gel is great for molding your hair down. As you can see, I just put my hair in a ponytail. Now, one thing that I can say is make sure that your bun in the back is as small as possible. Mine wasn't, so I did have to go in and make it a little bit smaller. So you definitely want to make sure, if you have a lot of hair like me, you make the ponytail extremely small. So as you can see, I'm just showing you what the hair looks like. This hair is so soft. It does get frizzy when you separate the curls. Now, I did go ahead and put the curls fully in the back, so I didn't separate it at all in the back, and then when I got to the front, I did separate it. You want to make sure with this hair, because it's so soft, make sure you at least tie it maybe 2 or 3 times, sometimes 4. But what you're going to do, if you're not new to my braidless crochet videos, then you should really already know what to do. But if you are new and this is your first time seeing me do the braidless crochet, you just really want to anchor the crochet braids into your natural hair. So you want to just go in, take the crochet needle through, put it through your hair, tie it at least 2 to 3 times, and that's it. Now, what's going to happen is, because this is curly hair, it is going to cover the ponytail. So don't focus too much on the actual ponytail, because I promise it's gonna cover it, girl. You gonna be good. You gonna be good. And just to secure it, to make sure that it's good, I'm gonna show you a trick that I do towards the end of this video. So make sure that you watch the whole thing. Y'all gotta watch the whole thing anyway to see how I slay at the end. Okay, I absolutely love this hair, but I'm not gonna talk y'all to death, because everything is pretty self-explanatory long as you watch the visual. And I'm gonna leave everything down in the description box. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section, y'all. It is 12 o'clock at night. I have to be to work at 7:30 in the morning. So, you know, your girl is a little, just trying to get a little energy. I recorded this video like 2 weeks ago, and I was like, okay, I gotta finish the voiceovers so I can get this posted for y'all. So yeah. the finished look. As you can see, I do not put too much hair on my edges because I want to protect my edges. I don't want to put too much tension on them. You could leave the style like this. This is without it being cut. It is extremely secure. I promise it ain't going nowhere, but I wanted to go ahead and cut a bang, so that's what you would see me doing here. And then after I did this, I just went ahead and showed you how to take the bobby pin and secure the actual hair down so that when the wind blows or you're shaking your head, you won't expose the actual bun. Now, it will be kind of hard to sleep with the bun in your head, but I'm a side sleeper, so to me, it was perfectly fine. Again, this is for my girls that don't know how to braid, and this is an alternative that you can do. Sometimes you gotta go with what you can go with. And that's what I love so much about braidless crochet. It's quick and easy. I was literally able to do this style in an hour and a half. That's just how quick and easy it was.
Damn. Damn. What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me your problem. I said a lot, girl. Can't be my mind. Always been on what and I feel. Outside the lines, but not a tough shit. Can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now. What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me the problem. That's in a lot, girl.